I made this tool to help people understand how machines learn. For example, how they learn to recognize words. Let me show you. I will make a recording. Dog. And you will see a dot appear on the screen, and then I will label it as dog. So I'm giving samples to the machine so the machine can learn. Let me make another recording. Cat. And I can also add a label here. And when I make another recording, I can label as that. So fish. Now the machine cannot learn yet because it has very few samples. I need to train the model. I need to give it more samples. Let me show you. Dog. Cat. And now when I label this, you will see that the dots start moving because the model is training. Fish. So the model started training, and now I can even predict. So I will record a new word and see what prediction the machine makes, what word the machine thinks I said. Dog. So let's see. You see the dot appear here, and then you see it's near a cat. So let's see what the prediction says. Is most likely cat. Now this makes sense because the machine doesn't know much yet. I gave it very, very few samples. So let's train it a little more. Let's discard it and record a new one. Dog. Cat. Fish. Dog. Cat. Fish. Dog. Cat. Fish. Now the machine has many more samples now. Let's see if it does a little better. So let's record a new word. Cat. So you see that it fell near the cat cluster. Let's see the predictions. So it says it's most likely cat, 70% likely that it is cat. So the machine is doing a good job. Let's see if it does it with other words that I record. Let's see. Dog. That was very good. Fish. Predict. So it says it's most likely fish, although it's not very, very sure. The distribution is kind of even. So of course, if you add many, many more samples, the machine will know more and it will be better able to discriminate the words that I say.